بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome again to another Arabic lesson on Al-Arabiyyatu Lin-Nashi'in Kitab Al-Awwal Book 1. Inshallah, in this lesson, we are going to continue from where we stopped on the exercises on our previous passage, which was في الدرس الأول in the first lesson. So here we have an instruction that says, أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following questions. مستعينا بالصور, with the aid of the pictures. So here we have أين التلميذ, that is, where is the student? So here we say التلميذ في المسجد, the student is in the mosque. Number 2, أين الكرة, where is the ball? الكرة في الملعب, the ball is in the field. أين المدرس, where is the teacher? المدرس في الفصل, the teacher is in the class. أين الحبل, where is the rope? الحبل في الصندوق, the rope is in the box, or you can say في الحقيبة, is in the bag. So this is how to do this exercise. So the next one, here we have an instruction that says هاتي كلمة, bring a word فيها الحرف, that contain the following letters. So the first letter we have ba. So here you can say baytun, a house, or babun, a door. Jim, jamalun, a camel. Ha, hatifun, a telephone. Kaf, kalbun, a dog. Alif, arnabun, a rabbit. Sin, samakun, a fish. Lam, la'ibun, a player. Ta, tufahatun, an apple. Nun, namlun, an ant. Dal, dajjajatun, a chicken. So the next one we have رتب الأرقام الآتية, arrange the following numbers. So here we have a range of numbers from number 7, and the highest one is the number 15. So here we will bring the number 7 first, which is sab'atun. Then the next one is 8, that is thamaniyatun, 8, tis'atun, 9, asharatun, 10, ahada ashara, 11, then ithna ashara, 12, thalathata ashara, 13. So this is how to do this exercise. So the next one, here we have sil bayn al-adad, connect between the number bil huruf, in words, wal adad bil raqm, and the numbers in figures. So here we have arba'ata ashara, that is 14. So this is the number 14 in figures. So you connect between the two of them. Thamaniyatun, 8, and that is this. Sab'atun, 7. Then thalathatun, 3. So this is how to do this exercise. So the next one we have uktub raqm al-kalimati al-munasiba. Write the number of the suitable word fil firagh, in the blank space. So here we have al-mudarrisu yuridu tilmidha, the teacher wants the students. So here you complete this with one of these options. So the most suitable one is al-jadid. Al-mudarrisu yuridu tilmidha al-jadida, the teacher wants the new students. Ya Muhammadu, O Muhammad. Here we have uskut, is'al, and hat. Hatil haqibata, bring the bag. So that is how to do that exercise. So the last exercise, here we have an instruction that says sil bayna su'ali wal jawabi, connect between the question and the answer, al munasib, that are suitable. So here we have al as'ila, that is the question section. The first question we have hal anta Somaliyun, are you a Somalian? So here the most suitable one is La ana Ghaniyun, no, I am a Ghanaian. Masmuka, what is your name? Ismi Ahmadu, my name is Ahmad. Ma jinsiyatuhu, what is his nationality? Huwa Ghaniyun, he is a Ghanaian. Hal hadha Ahmadu, is this Ahmad? Na'am huwa Ahmadu, yes, he is Ahmad. So this is how to do this exercise. And with this, we've come to the end of the exercises that are below this lesson, fi darsil awwal, in the first lesson. And also with this, we've come to the end of our today's class. We hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next one. Ma'as salamati, ila liqa.